Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, we will be learning how to delete your Zoom workplace account using your mobile device. So let's get started. First of all, open up your Zoom application on your mobile device and log into your account if necessary. After logged in, go to the More button at the bottom right-hand corner from the home screen. Inside the More menu, tap on your username at the top. Now this will open up the My Profile section where you'll need to click Account at the top. On the next page, tap on Delete Account. In order to delete your account, you'll need to go to the web portal, tap on Go to Web Portal and Delete, and this will take you to the Zoom website from where you'll need to go ahead and log into your account first if you haven't already. After you are logged into your Zoom account, go ahead and scroll down from the account profile section and click on Terminate My Account. Enter your password for your Zoom account in the next page and finally click on the Delete button at the bottom. Right after you do that, you will be redirected to the login page again, which means you have successfully deleted your account for Zoom. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel for more easy tech guides. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.